this morning's Health Watch, as the COVID-19 pandemic drags into a second year, the mental toll is really starting to show itself just as much as the physical side of things.
And that may be especially true for healthcare workers. Fox 12's Marilyn Deutsch discovered a doctor who uses cartoon-like drawings to illustrate his points.
Dr. Jesse Powell here at work. No stethoscope around his neck, just a colored marker in his healing hand. Dr. Powell is an internist, but he also works with medical students at Providence Medical Center. In teaching them, he found a second calling. One day, he prepared a long handout of written information.
And after I looked at it, it was so boring.
So the doctor thought,
what if I just drew some of these concepts out and ended up having a ton of fun with it?
Providence gave us both video and pictures of his work, and as you can see, Dr. Powell uses pen, ink, and markers to give shape to serious health issues. He realized for his residents, his visuals may work better than his words.
I think by the time somebody's gotten to residency and to medical school, we've certainly sat through hundreds of lectures and PowerPoints and gone through lots of textbooks and readings. Just because there's so much information, you gravitate to things that can grab your attention more easily and can make the subjects more digestible and maybe more interesting and memorable.
Dr. Powell says he's no Matt Groening, no Charles Schultz, but he says he has fun with both simple and complicated concepts.
I do think it helps with learning and education. We're all, for the most part, visual animals that recognize pictures even better than words.
And have you ever seen staff meetings begin with notes like these? We asked Dr. Powell if perhaps he would rather be a cartoonist than a doctor.
Yeah, if I could have a job just drawing all day, yeah, I would love that. But unfortunately, my skill is not that great. I'm like at the same level I was at when I last took an art class in high school.
His drawings may be amateur, but he's found a way to put them to use professionally. One more illustration that laughter may actually be the best medicine. Marilyn Deutsch, Good Day, Oregon.
You know what I love about this is that we all absorb information differently.
Yeah.
And so when you can see pictures, it
Love it.
just helps all the more. And for some people, pictures are all it is for the learning, right?
I agree.
You really learn better. But I think he's fantastic.
I think he's super talented, and what a way to sort of liven up all the faculty meetings and everything else. I think it's great.
He put himself down for that. I'm like, I think that's really good.
It's really good.
Yeah, so that's a pretty cool story right there.